In the morning analysis released 12 hours back, I asked you to remain long on gold and see 1730, the resistance level. It is precisely achieved. I hope you all profited. Likewise, see US 100 has achieved 12480 and US 30 32040. I told you yesterday also that beyond 31700 US 30 will breach past 32,000 levels. 32050 is going to be a good strong resistance. I hope you all profited. Now missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Let's start the day with gold. Now this is the hourly chart for gold. There is a resistance there at 1730, very clear. There is a support there at 1720, very clear. In between these $10, trade with caution. Now you can see after 1720 you can find there is a lot much of gap available till 1710, but there is a support at 1715 also remember, see how it is trading on the hourly chart. See, rise, retracement, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement, and then higher highs. So far if you see, it is looking forward to this, and probably it may get a support here at 1715. So 1715 is going to now be the stronger support. We have talked about it multiple times, and now again this may come to rescue. Direction movement is trying to converge. It is bullish so far. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is extremely bullish. It is trying to converge from here. Possibility of a retracement or a little drop can be expected. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, now look at these three candles out there, almost achieving the highs. At the same time, look at the lows out there. So see, this is connected, and this is the probability for it to take further down, if not today possibly, but yes, this is the probability for it to take it further down. You can go short. Now look at this. This is a strong rise till here, multiple green candles. All the indicators must be overbought by now, and it is trying to retrace possibly below 1723. Again you can expect 1718, 1720 zone, and then 1715. These two levels are going to be important. Below that it can again try to drop a little, and only bearishness can be expected if it drops below 1715 levels, 1713 levels. Directional movement is bullish so far, trying to converge here. Stochastic is extremely overbought, trying to drop from here. MACD has seen a high, trying to converge from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is too seen a high and trying to drop from here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, the highs there on the previous two candles are defined, and then a lower low. It is trying to reverse from here. This candle may again try to take it till towards 1718, 1720 levels. Very strong support there, and probably once it breaks past 1714, 1715 zone, then only one can consider that we may see 1710. See, this time the level there at 1710, 1715, this zone is going to be very important. It may get a stronger resistance for it to drop further. So it is trying to trade in this channel. This is a bullish channel, but look, this time it failed to achieve the highs, indicates that it is trying to reverse. Now this is the time for it to go till towards 1715 possibly. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, trying to drop from here. The MACD has seen a high, it is trying to converge here, and the RSI too is looking downwards. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, successive green candles, and now a red candle. And look at this here, lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to confine itself within this. Probability exists that we may see a little drop. This candle can come up till towards 1718, 1720, and below that, if it breaks past 1780, you can expect a little more drop. Then it can come back to 1714, 15. In fact, still 1710, it has got very strong support. Only if it breaches below 1710, you can expect that we may see a little more drop. Directional movement bullish so far, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a high. The MACD is divergent and it is still bullish. The RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily candles. On the daily candles, it has seen the highs there. Precisely these three candles, all very well aligned, trying to come back to this zone, which is situated at around 1718, very good support, 1715, 14, very good support, and then 1710, the next support. Only below 1710, it will call for the bears out there. Then 1705, 1700 and below levels can also be expected. Directional movement is so far bearish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is going to be a bullish cross. RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, also let's have a look at the weekly candle, because this is going to be the weekend. Probability exists that it may confine its movement within this and try to close somewhere here at 1710 levels. So be cautious. Only long entry or only buy entry is above 1730. Till the time it trades below 1730, now do not take any position. At the same time, on the downside, the support there is going to be at 1715, 1740 levels. Below 1723, yes, you can expect it to drop a little. 1718 is the first target. 17 you can say 1714 15 is the next target. 1710 is the next target. Below that 1705 1700 is also possible. It can show you good swings and close the week at around 1710. Possibility exists. Trade with caution, trade with a trailing stop loss, trade with a stop loss. Right now it appears, see, it has seen a high and probability exists, and now it is looking downward. So when it is bullish and it is still trying to drop, I will not still recommend you to buy the dips here, because see, it can continue to crash. At the same time, the only buy level is above 1730 level, and at the same time the short level, because it is bullish, the going short here, selling here is again going to be risky. You have to trade with caution. Yes, there is a probability that it can drop till towards 17 14 15 levels and 1710 levels. In fact, it can drop till towards 1705, but you have to trade with extra caution, because this can get a pullback. So till the time it trades below 1730, now you can remain short. And yes, above 1730 you can expect 1735 and 1740 levels. This time if it breaks past 1730, today morning also I told, if it breaks past 1730, you can directly expect it to lend till towards 1740 levels. So only long entries above 1730. Only bearishness you can expect is below 1713 1714 zone. Below that only 1710. Rather, you can go short only below 1710. For these $20, stay cautious. I am not giving you any trade for these $20. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, first thing is to preserve your capital, and to preserve your capital you should identify opportunities and trade as per the opportunities only. Do not try to rush into taking any positions, and that is why stay cautious today and take your positions. Do not trade between 1710 1730 levels. And yes, if you want to learn the art of reading charts, taking profitable entries and taking profitable exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 batch is starting on 12th of September. This is going to be a 15-day session, 90 minutes live webinars, and definitely it will help you become profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron. Your minimal contribution is a motivation for me. Do become a patron and support the efforts. The patron link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now look at Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts and look at this candle. This is the pivot here at 12,430 levels. With that as pivot, it has seen the highs at 12,480 and now it is looking forward to 12,420. Be cautious of 12,420. Once it drops below 12,420, then one can look forward to this zone at 12,380, and below that we can see a good drop. So be cautious till towards 12,380. Below that, if it drops below 12,380, you can expect 12,350 still, and 12,340 rather, and below 12,340 only you can expect that there is going to be bearishness. So yes, you can go short here and you can expect 12,380 levels at least. 12,400 is 12,420 is must. 12,380 is the next target, and then below that you can expect 12,340 levels, which is going to be very strong support for the day. On the upside, you can go long about 12,470 till the time it trades between 12,470 and 12,420, or rather I will say for these 15 points avoid trade. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has seen as a high and now looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is at high here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see the previous candle was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and it was an indecision candle where neither the bulls nor the bears took the charge. Also, if you look at it, is almost formed the double bottom here, breaking below the zone, breaking below, you can say 12,420, definitely it will call for little bearishness. Then you can definitely expect 12,380, 12,340 levels, which is going to be a good support. Only if it breaks below 12,340, it will call for a little drop, which might take it till towards 12,280 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is near to top there. On the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. This is the channel in which it is trading. Any breach below this channel, that is why I say 12,420 is going to be a good support, and only below 12,420 you can expect that we may see a sharp red candle taking it till towards 12,340, 12,350 zone, and if it breaks this, then you can expect 12,280 also. See, this is the building which has been created on a good strong base, and it is tilted. You can see the angle there, the angle is not too sharp there, so probability if it breaks out beyond this zone at 12,470, 12,500, you can expect above 12,470, you can definitely expect 12,540, and beyond that it may fly high. It can give you a very strong bullish candle. At the same time, one must not forget that it can give you the reversal from here, giving you sharper red candle, taking it till towards 12,340. So be cautious in between 12,420, 12,470 levels. Directional, you can see also directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the 3-hour charts, curving for a crossover. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought, so mostly overbought on the multiple charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. The support there at 12,400 is strong, 12,380 is strong. So yes, you can go short at 12,420, expect 12,400, 380 to provide a support, and then it will drop for 12,340 and 12,280 levels. Be cautious on the upside. You can go long at 12,470 also. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is near to top, indicates that possibly we may see a little drop here, but see, look at the candle size here on the daily charts. This time it has breached the highs what we had seen earlier, and see, it opened flat there on the upside, and that is why we can see a bullish move there. But remember, there is still probability for it to give you a stronger bullish move. See, 250 points the day before yesterday, and now if you count the 250 points from here, that is around 12,350 levels, you can expect that 12,600 levels also can be achieved. So yes, go long about 12,470, expect 12,540 and 12,600 levels, which is going to be a good strong resistance. So take your positions accordingly. Go short at 12,420, go long at 12,470, above 12,470, 12,540, 12,600 are going to be the targets. On the downside, till 12,380, go short at 12,420, but remember, till 12,380 and 12,340 it has got very strong support, and yes, only below 12,340 you can expect that we may see a little drop for 12,280 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 indicating a reversal here, and it may try to give you symmetrical positions if it breaks below this zone at 31,950 level. See, 4 candles getting the support here. Yes, below 31,950 you can expect 31,900 as the first target, and if it draws below, you can expect it to draw for 31,840, which is a very good support, and if it breaks below 31,840 you can expect a good drop. See, it is trying to trade in this channel, and hence 31,900 is going to be a good support. Below 31,900 you can expect that we may see a little bearishness. Directional movement is bullish on the hourly charts. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD willing to converge, and RSI near to top, so indicating that things are overbought here on US 100 and US 30, and that is why we are looking forward to a drop there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, this is a strong bullish candle, then a candle of indecision, and then this reversal. Where this candle closes is of importance to me. Possibility exists that it may try to drop for 31,900 levels, which is a very strong support. In fact, 31,880 could be the next support. Then 31,840 will come into picture. Beyond that, we may see it dropping for 31,800 and 31,750 till 31,700. It has got stronger support on the downside. Be very cautious. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. It may start to converge. RSI is near to top there. And likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, it is trading. If you consider this, it is trading in this channel, and the support there on the downside at around 31,900 is very strong. 31,840 and 31,800 levels. Only if it trades below this zone at 31,780 you can expect we may see 31,600 also. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish, must start to converge here, and RSI is overbought. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, see the support here at 31,800 level you should watch out for. It is looking forward to 31,800 levels. It can try to breach below this. Probability exists, and below 31,780, 770 you can expect it to drop strongly till towards 31,600 and below levels. Be careful. Only bullish entry, only buy entry is above 32,050 levels. You can only go long if you see it trading above 32,050. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. We can look forward to a vertical drop. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI near to top. And if you look at the daily charts, look at the daily charts here. See, as I told, the support there at 31,600 is going to be strong, and it is giving you lower highs so far. It is going to be a narrowing triangle. Possibility exists that if it continues to trade below this zone at 31,770, possibility we may see 31,700, 600, in fact 500 levels also. So be cautious there. On the upside, only long entry, only buy entry is above 32,050. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. At 31,950, yes, you can initiate a short position. Expect 31,900 is the support, 31,840 is the next support, and below that you can expect 31,800, 31,700 is the support, and 31,600 levels can also be expected. On the upside, yes, if it breaks past 32,050, go long, stay long. You can expect 32,200 and then 32,350 and 400 levels can also be expected. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Do join the channel, do share it across, do subscribe it across, and do not forget to join the Patreon or my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and week ahead.